Hello, good morning children. How are you all? All at home, है ना? Safe. This is our first video. You know me. I am Poonam Madam, है ना? You know me everybody? Now you all have come in a big class, है ना? Senior class. From standard 4 to standard 5th. Yeah? So today I am going to teach you grammar. All of you open your grammar book on page number 1. Sentences. Okay, types of sentences. So you know what is a sentence? You learned in 4th standard, but now we'll repeat again. Okay, see, sentences. Sentences is a group of words which makes complete sense. Okay, we have to arrange the words in such a way that we understand what we are, what's written here. For in a sentence, there are always a subject and a predicate. Subject means about whom the sentence is. For example, here, the tiger roared loudly. Now, about whom is the sentence? Sentence is about the tiger. So, this is called the subject. Okay? And what is the subject doing? Roared loudly. So, this is known as the predicate. Predicate. Understood? Subject and predicate. Here, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. A subject, and this is predicate. The subject of a sentence is the person or thing spoken about. Here we are speaking about the tiger. The predicate is what is said about the person or thing. Now what is said? What is the tiger doing? Roared loudly. So this is the predicate. Okay. Now here subject and predicate. The tiger roared loudly. Okay. The tiger subject. Remaining predicate. She will grow up to be a fine young woman. She. Helicopters are not as fast as aeroplanes. Helicopters. These are all subjects. Remaining predicates. Gaurav scored 90 marks in the maths test. About whom is the sentence? About Gaurav. What did he do? Scored 90 marks in the maths test. So this is subject and this is predicate. Okay? In these I will give you and send you PDF. From PDF you have to copy in your books. Do you understand? બધાએ copy કરવાનું. With pencil. Don't use pens. The lecture lasted for over 2 hours. In this the answer is subject is the lecture. Nina got, and remaining is predicate. Okay, this you have to do in red and this in blue. Nina got wet in the rain. So Nina is subject, this is predicate. The asteroid circled in the earth twice. The asteroid subject. Remaining predicate. Arjun plays the piano and the flute. Arjun. Subject. I am speaking of subject. Remaining is predicate. Okay. The students are practicing in the field. The students. You must eat your meals on time. You. Does the cake need more icing on the top? Now about whom is the sentence? The cake. So the cake will be your subject. Remaining all will be predicate. Anu has made such a mess in the room. So Anu. The tiles are slippery after the rain. The tiles. Our school has a mixed basketball team. Our school. Clear? Page 1 over, everybody? Now open page number 2. We will continue. Now what is a declarative sentence? Is one that gives information about any subject. Most sentences that we read in books or speak are declarative sentences. In that there can be 2 types, negative and affirmative. and affirmative. These are all known as declarative sentences. What are they known as? Declarative sentences. Okay, are you understanding, children? समझ पड़े छे बताइए? Yeah, declarative sentences are of two types. Affirmative sentences are positive and tell us something is so. That means there is something. Negative sentences use words like no, not, never, isn't, can't, etc. to tell us something is not so. Something is not there. Something is not so. Now, affirmative sentences here. The ball is made from good quality rubber. I am going to the street market on Sunday. It will be a hot and dry summer this year. Now here we have to read each sentence aloud. Write if the sentence is affirmative or negative in the space below. Now we have to write here negative or affirmative. This I will send you in my PDF. Lesson સાથે જ આવશે. Nobody is sharing their book with me. Nobody, that means negative. She would never harm the child. Never, negative. Harish is a good friend of mine. Affirmative. Everyone is leaving tonight. Affirmative. Give a few toys to Nina to play with. Affirmative. We weren't. Now here it is. Weren't. Yeah, this is where not. That means negative. Then we weren't planning to rent this house. I hope your stay was comfortable. Affirmative. None of the children brought their umbrellas. Now none. None is also a negative word. Alright? The job was a respectable one. Affirmative. The tigers cannot be spotted during the day. Negative. Understood this much, everybody? Shall I continue page 3? Yes, page 3. Open page 3, all of you now. Yeah. Change the given affirmative sentences to negative sentences. Dinesh cycles to the park every day. Now, Dinesh cycles. So, this you have to understand now. See, persons are three: first person, second person, third person. Alright? Then singular and plural. Correct? Now, first person singular is I. Okay? Second is we. Then second person singular you. I will say you are a boy. One boy is there. And many boys are there. So I will say you will remain. You are boys. Alright? Here you. So you will be used in singular also and in plural also. Clear? Now third person is he, she and it. He for all masculine genders. He, she, feminine. And it for small babies, non-living things. Alright? Here it will be they. Plural will be they. Singular one. Plural more than one. Alright? Now Dinesh cycles to the park every day. Now we have to use here forms of do or does. Now I do. We do. You do. Again you do. He, she, it does. D-O-E-S. And they do. Correct? Now, when it is he, she, it changes to does. Now, Dinesh cycles to the park every day. Now we have to change it into a negative sentence. This clear all of you? I am rubbing it, okay? And if you don't understand, open your videos again and again and see. Huh? Yeah. Dinesh cycles to the park every day. Every day. Clear? Now, we want to, this is affirmative. There is nothing of negative word is not there. So now what we will do? Dinesh does not. He, she, it does. So Dinesh is he, so does. Correct? And we have to add not. Dinesh does not. Now this as we have to remove. With does not, with negative words, always the main form of the noun will be there or verb will be there. No. Dinesh does not cycle, verb also CYC and cycle to the park every day. Clear for everybody? Is this concept clear? Then he was very cooperative and helpful. He was not. All the children are going to the excursion. All the children are not going. They did the artwork themselves. They did not do the artwork themselves. With they do. I do, we do, you do, you do. He, she, it does, and they do. So here it will be, they do not do the artwork themselves. Everybody here believes in ghosts. Nobody here believes in ghosts. Nobody. We are looking towards to this trip. We are not looking. These are easy ones, some are difficult. Okay?